Good morning and welcome to week 7 of Strategic Management. I'm your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. Hope everyone's doing well and enjoying the class so far. This week we're going to be looking at Chapter 11, which is about organizational design, structure, culture, and control. And I'm going to probably post in some YouTube links to really try to stress some of these things, but this PowerPoint that it provides is definitely very, very beneficial to look at. We have specializations, which we have larger firms which kind of have a high degree of specialization, smaller firms that have a lower degree. Hierarchy, you got span of control, you got mechanicism and organic cultures. These are definitely ones that we want to look at and really try to understand moving forward in this class as well. Let me just see if there's anything I want to highlight to you on this. We have cost leadership strategy, but I think we've already talked about that. Differentiation strategy. So those are some of the concepts we're going to talk about. Related and unrelated diversification. Those are some things we want to look at as well. So that looks like pretty much everything I want to hit on that part. Let me go back in this class and see. Let's see, there's an overview. Let's see what the overview's got on that for us. So we're going to really understand organizational design, unless it's 3 components. And I'll probably do a YouTube video on that for you guys to see as well. Organizational culture and its elements as well. Other things on that are very, very important as well. Let's see what the assignments we have this week. We have a discussion board post, and we have an assignment due as well. So those are definitely 2 things that we want to definitely keep in mind. I look forward to working with you guys on the discussion board and grading your assignments as well. If you have any questions, need anything from me, feel free to let me know. Thanks. Have a great day.